Cześć! I'm Paweł and I'm the founder of Carbone, where we combine classic cars with design, art and technology. Today I will show you a game changer, the new generation of door cards, CB. But for now, don't think, just click the subscribe button and let me tell you more. This is the third generation of our door cards. You can install them easily in Porsche 911s, G model 964 and the last air-cooled generation 993. Time period from 1974 to 1998. However, if you're happy to do some extra work, you can fit them in earlier Porsche models. Do you know what retrofuturism is? Imagine going back to 80s and thinking about the future, designing things futuristic way. Retrofuturism is a journey to those times. This is a vision about the future, but considered by a person from 80s. CB door cards are retrofuturistic, for sure. Look at the shapes. They are similar to the sci-fi spaceships I remember from the childhood. Meanwhile, they match the air-cooled interiors perfectly. Besides the design, there are functions that will improve your drives. I had 1,000 kilometers a day trips. I had 5,000 per 5 days trips. The armrest is a must-have. Imagine driving 1,000 kilometers a day. What you do? You drive, you eat, drive, gas station, drive. Okay, where to put sandwiches and a bottle of water? There is a place for a bottle of water and a sandwich, and a small storage under the armrest. And our classic upgrade, like window switch frames to fit the switches perfectly straight. Oh, and remember, that change is reversible. You don't need to cut or drill any holes in a car. The CB door cards are plug and play to protect the future of your car in case you want to go back to the original solution. Is it necessary? Of course not. You can keep your original ones. They're really okay, but I can imagine 1,000 reasons to have something that is different. Speakers we put under the beautiful perforation? Of course. Thick leather strap to open doors? Absolutely. Combining fabrics with leather to match the interior? No problem. Very easy, like 1, 2, 3. Take off your current door cards and just put the CBs. If you don't remember how to plug the window switches, there's an instruction on the backside of the card. Plug the speaker or speakers. Connect the door straps. Install the door locks the same way they were installed. Screw the bottom screws, and that's it. If you don't have time or don't feel comfortable with things like that, we can send a set of CBs directly to your specialist and assist you or your specialist. They will fit perfectly. Check our simpler door cards like RS and R. And remember, we are here to help you with the ideas. We will be super glad to suggest you some material choices, combine the door cards with a few other things to change the look of your beloved car. Remember to follow our Instagram. You will find a lot of inspirations there. And we add a lot of stories from the shop life every day. Cześć!